All right, today we're gonna bring a cleaning kit. Now this cleaning kit is for your guns or your rifles, depending on the actual caliber that you're gonna use. Now I'm gonna put a description here of what type of calibers you can be able to use this, but I have a 22 and a 223. Now this is perfect for those kind of calibers. Now if you notice on these things, these are actually brass, because it's recommending running brass, especially on a barrel. You don't want a higher quality of metal. It's gonna actually scratch the threaded barrel, so you want to make sure you use this instead of something higher end. All right, so this is a perfect thing. They give you a small sizes, large sizes, and even longer sizes too. Now, and of course, they give you different attachments in here for you to actually send in through your barrel, because if you have a long barrel, they give you attachments how to actually extend it. And on top of that, cleaning cloths. All right, this is not full. You can have to require your own oil in here, but look at this. They give you a needle so you can actually attach precise measurements and precise area that you want to oil up. If you shoot a lot of 22s, it gets filled with all this mildew that you need to scratch it off sometimes. And this is a tool that they give you. It gives a cover right now. This is more like a dental tool, but you're able to scratch some of the corners that you need to remove some of the mildew. Different kinds of, this is like after you run the oil, after you clean it up, you run this down to, just get the end of it, or before. Now this is the other end I was talking about. They're all going to be solid brass, daisy chained, all of them, to extend it. And once you get that going on one side, you could actually, look at this, attach to the other end. Now use the one that you require, which either one. If you see this attachment, if you guys never seen them like that, it's more like to grab some of the cloth, go in between some of these little cotton areas that you put in there, oil it up and run it down the barrel. This will actually oil the entire barrel, and then you could actually start from scratch and doing whatever. People have their own starting point on cleaning their own guns and their weight. All right, because I'm not allowed to demonstrate real firearms in here, we are going to use a copper to show you how it works. So basically just run it to the inside. All right, if it's a 22, this is pretty much what you would be doing. A 22, look at that. It comes out back in here, cleans out the whole pipe. All right, straighten out the whole thing, go back in the other end, push it back in. It comes out on one end, push it out, replace it if you want. Replacing it simple, easy to use. Run it from your pipe. Got plenty of space for a barrel of a gun. All right, for a rifle you need longer ones, but this is only for a gun. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.